Hello everyone. In this video I would like to show you how to use two scenes. For example, now you are looking at the first scene. This is the Krabs room. I think it's interesting for little children to make storytelling, fairy tales. For example, this model of room I download from this add 3D object, click others, and I use models from Google, Poly, and Sketchfab. Please type, for example, room, okay, and you may find, for example, Pokemon, bedroom, and etc. And this room for Krabs, I use the same way. And I downloaded Krabs. I think, for example, little children make stories. Hello, this is a Krabs room. This is Mr. Krab. He likes reading, and in his room he has many interesting books about fairy tales and etc. For example, Mr. Krab has animations. Just a moment. He is coming to the bookcase and he found his interesting book. Let me see. Okay, what about the second scene? Click, and just now we are going to the second scene about what world. Just a moment. Yeah, we see. And thank you very much another participants from STEMpedia bootcamp, because I saw video about ocean animals, about underwater world, and I decided to do the same. For example, okay, I downloaded this interesting module from Sketchfab, and little children may use inside and outside models and stories. For example, look at this interesting project, this model. Just a moment. Just a minute. You see, we are outside and we make stories about beautiful flowers, about other animals, but we may go inside. For example, just a moment. Here's my, for example, starfish, and we are inside. Yeah, and there are fish, jellyfish, starfish. Okay. Some of them has animation. No, maybe jellyfish, for example. Let's try it. What about jellyfish? Yeah, we see. And killer whale has an animation. Okay, let's go to the code block. And you see the same world. Yes, the same world. When we click line frag, reload scenes, switch scenes. Okay, just not. I don't use this. Switch scene to scene. We can change third or maybe first person. Change player control. For example, starfish. Okay. Let's go to inside. Okay. Let's go. Just now, we may, for example, jellyfish. Okay. You see jellyfish, for example, please. When clicked, okay, what about click green animation? Так, transform, find transform. You see, it's working. Because we have code to control jellyfish. Just a moment. And the same about shark, a killer whale. Where is? I have text. Where is the text? My what world? And you see, I don't know why there is no code for jellyfish and shark whale. There is yes, but I'm not sure because we can't see it. Okay, and when we click space keyboard, okay, we change scene to scene the second. Oh, no, I have I have changed scene to the first scene. Okay, please be attention when you coding space key pressed and person, because you see the third person jellyfish, but now we are on the another scene and we use Mr. Crab. Okay, just now we see Krabs room. Just a moment. Click. Oh. Okay. Change our person, third person crab, yes. Maybe direction light. We can change. Just now, please click this on player. Just now transform. What about transform? Player custom animation. Mr. Crab custom animation. Yeah, you see? Duplicate. Duplicate. Next. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no, 7, 8. Okay, let's take it. And animation for the book. Change notebook. Notebook 2. Duplicate. Notebook 3. Okay. Look at this. Oh, sorry. I lost my room. Okay. Yeah. Oh, Mr. Crab. He is looking for the book. Yeah. For example. Let's try again. see? Yeah, yeah, yes, it is. Okay, thank you very much. Oh, I forgot to tell about space key pressed. Okay, I space key pressed. Just a moment. We change scene second, and you see we are going to the second scene. Yeah, we are here, and when we click space again, um, switch to the first scene. Let's try it. Yes. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye bye.